start by making a magic ring. Insert the hook, then slip stitch. Chain 1 like that. Now make 10 double crochet into this magic ring. Actually, to make double crochet, just yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring here, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, and you continue doing that all the way until you have a total of 10 double crochet into this magic ring. Once you get 10 double crochet in the magic ring, just pull this tail that's under, just pull it through like this, and now make a slip stitch on top of this very first double crochet like this. If you want to, and then chain 1. If you want to switch to a different yarn color, you can cut off this tail and attach a new yarn color, but if you want to continue with the same yarn color, then you have just to go ahead. So since in my case I'm just going to use one color, so to continue to the next step, you have to make 5 double crochet into this same stitch where you have made a slip stitch. 5 double crochet of them in that same stitch. Once you made 5 double crochet, now make a single crochet into the next stitch. 5 double crochet into the next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch, just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 2 loops like that. That's a single crochet. Now repeat the pattern all the way until the end here. Make sure at the end your flower must be looking like this one, something like this. Then once you are done here, just try to slip stitch on top of this very first double crochet here. Chain 1 to close, and you can cut off the yarn. You can just weave in your ends.